Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to manage V8 security on Opera GX. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the settings icon. I prefer using the keyboard shortcut, which is Alternate and P, and it opens up the settings menu. Then you scroll down until you get to security, and then you select security, and then you scroll down until you see manage V8 security. This means you want to turn on additional protection in Opera's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. So tap on it. Next thing you're going to do, you have these options, so choose the one that best works with you. Like I said, V8 is Opera JavaScript and WebAssembly engine that is used to improve site performance. So you can set the default behavior. Sites will automatically follow these settings when you visit them. You can say Opera runs faster and features are used to JavaScript and work as designed. This is recommended settings for you to use for sites to use V8 optimizer. But if you do not want it, you can choose do not allow sites to use V8 optimizer. This will reduce the performance but makes V8 more resistant to attacks. Then you also have the customized behavior. So when you add sites that follow a custom setting instead of the default setting, by clicking on add and pressing the site. Now you can also choose to add sites that are not allowed to use the V8 optimizer. Then the next thing you can do, so if you want to include sites that are not allowed to use the V8 optimizer, you click on this add and put the sites. Then you want to also add sites that are allowed to use the V8 optimizer, click on this add and choose the site. It's as simple as that. That is how to manage V8 security on Opera GX. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.